Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. And today I'm going to show you how to use a new Instagram feature called Sticker Mentions. Before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video. I would really appreciate it and it helps new people discover the channel. Now the first thing you want to do is take a photo or a video using this button. You can also use any of the other modes down here. Focus is a new one. I just did a video on that if you want to check it out. I'll link that down below in an Instagram playlist. There's a ton of Instagram tutorials in there, feel free to check it out. But I'm just going to flip this around and snap a photo. Then we want to tap on the stickers icon in the top right, the smiley with the folded corner. And then we can tap the new mention icon. And then you can type in whatever username you want here. I'll just pick other path. We can move that around like we normally would. You can also tap on it to get a see-through option and a rainbow option. So there's three options and you just keep tapping on those to toggle through them. And then you can still use filters and everything like that, of course. And feel free to add text or any of these other stickers, locations, temperatures, all that stuff. And then you can just upload it to your story as you normally would. And then when people view that, they can tap on the mention sticker and go directly to their profile. And there you have it, how to use the new Sticker Mentions feature within Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, tech, social media, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.